Alright, my goal here is to create two arbitrary circles and find all the tangents between them. So here are my two arbitrary circles. And I'm just going to construct a line between them. At this point, I just want to get a quick measure of these radii. And what is going to be even more significant than that, I need to calculate the difference between these two. The significance of this is if I create a circle with this radii, this new radii that I just calculated, then I will get basically the difference between this radii and the smaller radii. Now, after I create my midpoint here, between the two centers, I can take that and I can connect it to the two centers. Now from here, I just want to create a ray, basically to get my angle of basically kind of an invisible triangle between these two. Now I want to create a line parallel to this one from the center of this, so I basically have the same angle here. Okay, now last step, I'm just going to connect the two. And that should be 90 degrees. Cool. Alright, so we know that this is 90 degrees. Great, I move it around, it stays 90 degrees from here, here to here. And the reason why is because the distance between E and J is the same distance from this point and this point. So if I were to connect this point and this point, I would have a perfect rectangle. And I don't think I really need to prove that. But I'm going to go ahead and just take this line and just reflect it over my middle line there. Great. So now I really just need to hide a few things just to make it a little bit more readable. Alright, so I move that around. Great, it stays 90 degrees all the time. These lines will be forever tangent with each other. But also, at this point, I'm going to try and figure out the cross tangents. That means going from in between instead of the exterior. So